Professor. My name is Wenjing Xu, and I am a Chinese applicant for Geospatial Information Science and Engineering in ESF. Thank you for your time to watch this video. I would like to divide this video into 3 chapters to show my yesterday, today, and tomorrow about my academic dream. During my field work every summer, I saw serious environmental catastrophe many times. In front of such situation, I felt myself too weak to make any contribution to reconcile such conflict between human and nature. But in the summer last year, for the first time, I realized the power of geographical information science in person. I used Landsat image to map land use, land cover, and analyze the relation between mining activities and local environmental change. After that, I believe geographical information science is the key to discuss human and nature coherently from a multi-dimensional perspective. So I am eager to learn more about it. That's why I am here. A case of academic distortion I confronted when I was writing my first paper pushed me to pursue my further study abroad. I came across a Chinese review article that was a poorly translated copy of an English one, and it was published 10 years later than the English one. I was strikingly disappointed, so that decided to study in a new environment. ESF is the oldest and the most distinguished institution in US that focuses study on natural environment, so I believe it is my choice. Now I am a senior student in China University of Geosciences. I have taken numerous interdisciplinary courses ranging from science to nature science. In addition, I learned some practical skills during my fieldwork. So, I have constructed a general understanding to this field. Besides, I am now serving as a research assistant in a GIS lab, whose focus is on monitoring natural resources using multi-temporal, multi-resolution satellite images. I mainly participate in spatial data processing and analysis. So, I am quite familiar with ENVI, ARDAS, and ArcGIS. I am also doing my independent research. My first paper has just been accepted and will be published in both Chinese and English. In this research, I used a mathematical model ProCell and a series of MODIS products to compare the performance of 6 vegetation indices concerning their resistance to soil noise through statistical methods. Now, I am focused on synergism methods other than data fusion to make use of both the spectral information in multispectral data and spatial information in hyper-resolution data. During my graduate study, I would like to focus on human-environment interaction using geographic information technology and remote sensed data. Specifically, I wonder how the construction of the 3 gorges dams impacts local climate, vegetation, and in turn human society. Perhaps multi-temporal and multi-resolution remote sensed data are needed, along with a well-developed model. The skills of modeling is the part I want to enhance the most. Also, I am interested in further explore synergism methods between different data. I hope the program could be the doorway for me to address environmental issues lying in Chinese societies currently. Thank you again for your time. By the way, now in China we are celebrating Chinese New Year. Also wish you Happy New Year. Bye!